So, we bought the car. A car! Josh! Show properly. Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Sunday and it's currently 6 o'clock ng gabi. Nakabihis kami, as you can see guys. Nakalistik si atin yun. Oh, ayan. Hello, sweetie.
My tooth hurt.
Your tooth hurt?
Yeah,
Where are we going? Tell Tita and Tito where we're going.
you can see Tito.
We're going to see Tito. Are we? Whereabouts? Whereabouts? Whereabouts?
New dad.
So, yung best friend ni Daddy Mike, guys, from Sydney. He's down in Melbourne. I don't know, just for the weekend, I think. And in-invite niya kami for dinner tonight sa city. So, we still have to drive, guys, from here to the city. And it's already 6 o'clock. And I think yung dinner namin is around 6:30 to 7. So, we have to go now. Inopen ko lang yung ating vlog. Come here, sweetie. Ito yung ating pa-outfit for tonight. Oh my goodness. Have a look. Sobrang laki na ng ating baby girl. And then that's our kitten heels lang. Kasi yan na lang yung kaya natin ngayon. Yes, anak? Count to 10? No, we have to go. Daddy is waiting. Come on. Tingnan yung kanyang outfits. Babe, show me your outfit quickly, babe. Wow, this is from Mama Weng. She's... Wow, nakastakis kasi sobrang ginaw.
Give to me.
Who gave that to you?
Yeah.
No, Daddy bought this for you, and this Mama Weng gave this jacket to you. So cute, no? Say thank you, Mama Weng.
Who's give this dress for here?
This one, Mommy bought this dress for you.
What?
Come on, let's go now. So see you later, Tita, Tito. See you later, Saba. See you later, alligator. We'll see you there, guys. We'll take you. No. We'll take you with us to the city. Bye bye. Come on. Hello, friends. Nandito na kami ngayon sa car park sa city. And ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog. Ayan. Oh, it's okay. Si Kilala. Ayan, sabi ng daddy niya, ipafix ang kanyang hair kasi it's all over the place. Alam niyo, ang hirap mag-parking dito sa city. Kahit gabi na. Kasi lahat ng nila guys, ayan mga private, ganyan. Buti na lang ito, free. Ayan, so nandito na kami sa third level. Sweetie, come here na. Put your jacket on kasi it's a bit cold. Come here. No. You're cold?
No.
Oh, you're not cold?
No.
So she's not cold, Daddy, so she doesn't need this one. I'll just fix your hair, okay?
I didn't
Okay, come on na. Alam niyo guys, I can't believe na wala silang dito, parang elevator pa. Sa third level kami nag-park, tapos kailangan naming maglakad pababa. Tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl, yan. Hala, kaya pala siguro cheap guys, kasi flat rate nila is $12 lang. Pero kailangan mong maglakad kung saan ka man nag-park. Honey! Ano ba lalabi?
Sabi ka nasa.
Nakalabas na rin kami ng aming pinarkingan dyan. Ayan. So we're in Russell Street in Melbourne. Naglakad na ang ating prinsesa. Oh my God. Sobrang busy guys. Sunday night at sobrang busy niya. Kakain pala kami sa isang Thai restaurant. Chinatown in Melbourne.
Oh, stop it.
Princess. He's so sleepy. Ayan, very sleepy pa yan siya kasi hindi siya nag-nap kanina. Sa hapon. Put your hair back there. Good girl. She's holding daddy. Oh, so beautiful. Ayan, Chinatown. Let's go. Pinaglakad namin ng aming baby girl. That's where we're going. Isan Seoul. Thai street food. Rubble on the double. Oh, alam niyo, sobrang busy, guys. Did you make a reservation, Bob?
Yeah.
So, tingnan niyo, guys. Meron silang mga ganyan. Nandiyan na din yung best friend ni Daddy, guys. Upstairs. I'm coming, honey. I'm coming. Sobrang busy sa baba. Ayan na siya, guys.
Carlos? This?
Hello!
Yeah.
What's that?
That's police. That's
May mga pulis.
Let's be safe. Watch the police, see what they're doing.
You're walking. Because you're a big girl. What's the police doing?
Captain likes a bit of a drama. I love it.
Who?
Me. How much am
A few moments later.
Can I have it? You don't like it?
That is
Yummy.
yummy.
Try.
Wow.
Things were here.
We just got home, peeps. And, oh my God, Paris is so
Have a big
lucky
one.
tonight.
Have a big one and then show me how big you get.
Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, guys, ha. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog doon ng bonggang-bongga kasi nahihiya ako, guys.
Really?
Yung minute namin, di ba, yung best friend ni Daddy Mike, and I'm shy na mag-vlog doon kasi baka hindi niya magustuhan ba. Kaya,
Mama.
yes, honey, come sit here, be with mommy, please. Wait, we have to show Tita and Tito what you got from Tito Trent.
Candy.
This way.
I'm gonna go show this candy.
Okay, come here, lagi. We're gonna show. So Paris is so lucky today. You wanna say thank you, Tito Trent?
I'm getting to try.
Josh, pa-cute ka ang tingog,
And
oy.
then you have it here.
Hang on. I'll put you down.
I'll have a candy out.
So, yung unang binigay ni Tito Trent sa kanya, guys, is this one.
Mommy, I want this. Mommy.
So, meron siyang tin sa loob.
Who's that?
KitKat. Ayan, obviously, inopen na ni baby girl natin, guys.
Oh, I'll tell you.
It looks like that. Tapos, tingnan nyo ang laman. Puro chocolate ang laman, guys.
What is that?
Ayan.
Mine.
Have a break. Have a KitKat.
Mom, can we try this first?
Can you try this first? Ayan, yung mga maraming
Mom,
maliliit.
can we try this first? I need these.
Of course. Okay, we'll open that one. Ayan. And you know what? Kasi yung Tito Trent niya, guys, inisa-isa yung pabigay sa kanya. So, firstly, yung binigay niya is, ito sabi niya, I have something for you.
I have something for you too.
Yeah, we'll open. Tingnan nyo. Oh, it's from Adidas. So, ayan. Naksyo, tita na. So, firstly, ito. O, diba? Sobrang ganda. Ayan. Sneakers. More sneakers, anak, for you. Do you like this color, nak?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What color is that?
Tell me, what color is it?
I don't know.
Uy, have a look now. What color is it?
Gray and pink and blue.
Where's the blue? I think that's green.
It's gray and pink.
That's right. Correct. It's gray, pink, and green. Ayan. And, nagchika-chika kami, guys. Mga 5 minutes later, he handed this one. Another one. This one is from Nike. And, tingnan nyo. Oh? Another for baby girl. Grabe na. Very lucky, anak.
For me?
Yeah, what color is this?
Black and pink and white.
Good job. Ayan. So, they're all in size 6. Yeah, size 6. Si size 6
Wow.
size ngayon eh. And then, 5 minutes later, guys, meron na namang isa.
Look at that!
Tingnan nyo. Oh.
Mommy, look at this one.
Oh, wow. That's cool. So, meron na namang isa. Another pair of sneakers. Grabe, anak. Ikaw na, Jude, nak. Ikaw nang ride na.
How many?
Ikaw nang ride na sa sneakers.
that's
So cute. See, another
Mommy,
one from Nike.
That's pink and purple and white here.
That's right. Yeah.
Pink
This is really good kasi
it's pink.
alam niyo yung si Baby Celine ay masusuot pa to, nak. No, you will share with Baby Celine,
That's
na?
purple over here.
Yeah, you'll share with Baby Celine.
Yeah, I will show the blue one for Celine. I will have this.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
So
this.
cute, guys. So, tatlong ganito. Tatlong shoes ang binigay sa kanya. Wow! Tagal na rin kasi hindi
Wow, yun
sila
din.
nakita ng ano. Ano pala, si Trent is best friend ni Daddy Mike. The same time, Ninong Ninong siya ni Paris. And it's been a while na nagkita kami.
It's a wow, wow, wow.
Kaya na-spoiled si Paris, guys. Parang tingog ang kanyang regalo.
Again away. And then away.
Kanina pa siya sa sasakyan, pakanta-kanta. Ganyan ang feeling na kapag nabigyan ng maraming sapatos.
And blue.
Hmm?
Yummy.
Yummy. Yeah, time check pala, guys. Anong oras? What time is it now? No. I think it's already 9:20 or 9:30 ngayon. Around that time. Yeah, bukas work na naman. Because it's Monday. Yeah. But I had a relaxing weekend, guys. Kasi yesterday, Daddy Mike and Paris, they went out. So, pumunta sila ng city. Dinala ni Daddy Mike si Paris doon. And then, si mami nyo ay nag-stay lang dito sa bahay kasi nga, I'm at the stage na gusto ko na lang mag-rest and mag-relax dito sa bahay and just be comfortable. So, yun yung ginawa. And then, today, ito siya, dinala ni Daddy Mike sa park na naman to siya. Si mami nyo ay nag-stay lang dito sa bahay. Tsaka lang talaga ako umalis this weekend dahil, yung dinner nga with best friend ni Daddy Mike.
Mama, what's this over here?
Kung wala yun, guys, kung wala yung dinner, hindi talaga
What's
ako
this over
alis.
here?
Oh, what's that? I don't know. That's chocolate, I think.
It's jelly.
Kasi nga, di ba, normally, before, when the past few weekends...
Jelly. It's a jelly one.
It's a jelly. The past few weekends, yung ginagawa namin kapag weekend nga, tumitingin kami ng mga sasakyan and all. But yeah, this is a very exciting news as well na gusto namin i-share sa inyo, guys. So, we bought the car.
Wow!
A car! You have a new car?
Yeah.
So, last week pala, binili ni Daddy Mike yung sasakyan.
What
So, I'm not
color
gonna
is it?
tell you yet kung saan doon yung binili ni Daddy Mike, guys.
Mommy, what color is it?
It's pink, honey.
Pink. It's not pink.
Na lang, magka-reveal na lang tayo pagdating ng sasakyan. Kasi, at the moment, wala pa dito yung sasakyan. What happened kasi,
No, Papa is taking this. No, Papa.
ang aking anak ay hindi rin siya nagpapahuli, guys. Gusto rin niya magchika eh. So, yeah, so yun yung dahilan kung bakit wala kaming lakad this weekend talaga kasi nabili na yung sasakyan and yun talaga yung nakakapagpabisi sa amin for the last few weekends. Magkaka-reveal na lang tayo pagdating ng sasakyan. Kasi yung nangyari kasi, guys, may shortage ng sasakyan na binili namin. So, yung nangyari, tinawagan ni Daddy Mike yung dealership. Sabi nila, meron daw silang 3 na paparating towards the end of May and then 1 sa first week of June. So, the next time na tinawagan sila ni Daddy Mike, sabi nila, yung 3 na paparating towards the end of May, sold na daw. Kahit hindi pa dumating dito, sold na. Kaya, we jump in straight away. Yung isa na darating ngayong first week of June, yun na yung binili namin. So, yes, we bought the car, pero wala pa sa amin yung sasakyan. Yeah, but very exciting kasi at the moment, hindi pa siya nagsisink in na, we're having a new car. kahit na nakabili na kami, alam mo yun. Siguro tsaka ko na mafe-feel talaga na ano pag dumating na yung sasakyan, which is not too far away kasi mga ano na siguro, we'll say 2 to 3 weeks the car will be here. And obviously, magkaka-reveal tayo guys. But hindi ko muna, surprise muna tayo. Hindi ko muna sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung binili namin talaga na sasakyan. But yeah. Anak, you gonna have a new, you have a new car? You have a new car?
Black one. We'll take a photo for you, okay?
Yeah. Tito Fred wants to see.
Okay.
Try natin yung mga sapatos na niregalo para sa kanya guys. Wala nang ano Try lang bitaw.
Yeah, sweetie.
Laigo pa nina. Look. Wow, looks so nice guys. Huwag na natin lagyan ng medyas. Try lang naman eh. See how it looks like. Hey, hang on. Oh, wow! It's so cute. Tingnan nyo guys, this is the first one. Wow, so cute, anak. Kita nyo ba guys? Kita nyo, oh? Sobrang ganda. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mommy?
Yes.
Mommy, do you want to put this on now?
Okay, we'll put that one on now too. Gusto niya try.
Teacher Train.
Who gave this?
Teacher Train. No, wait, no, just. No, wait, no.
Who gave this to you?
Tita?
Tito?
Tita?
Tito?
Tita? Ashley.
Teka naman ka.
Tita? Boom, boom.
Wow, tingnan nyo guys. Size niya talaga. Hala, tingnan nyo.
Mama,
This one, may presyo pa to guys.
Mama,
Ito
the
siya.
purple one, Mommy.
$75 for this. Oh my
Mama, the
goodness.
purple one.
I'll try this one first.
Okay.
Wow! Josh! Siya purple. Okay, the last one. Sabi, the last one So we'll try the last one. This one. Tagka na kayo para sapatos for school. This is so cool. Ako, I really like this color.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. Do you like it?
Yeah. Filipina.
Kadaog luto Paris tonight Sarap yan. Wow! Wow! Don't jump because you might hurt yourself.
But I'm strong.
You're strong.
The bee in the way.
Careful.
I'm not in the way.
Baby, show me your shoes.
I don't
Oh.
want to. I want a pink shoe. This one. Mommy, I'm a Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig doing surprise.
Yes, you dance for mommy, baby. Budots, be budots. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. Okay, dance more.
I sing Jana. Yeah.
Okay, you sing Bidiana song.
No, you.
No, I don't know the song you know, so you sing for me.
No, you.
Come on, Nana.
No, you.
I'm sure she's a big girl. Look, she's saying shoes
Mommy,
on.
you sing, Mommy. I will dance.
I don't know what the song is. The Rihanna song.
You know that. It's in the like that one.
Which one?
That's in the like that.
What?
That's a different movie one.
The movie one?
Yeah, the movie. The movie. The movie. The movie. The movie.
I don't know that
Dancing. The movie dancing.
The movie dancing? We'll put the shoes away na ka.
But the one
Come on.
Put it on.
Huh?
I'm gonna play this.
Oh, the other ones. Put it in the bedroom. Go. Sige na, go.
Now what's my candy?
Look, candy. It's nighttime no eh. Candy. Pagyapong.
Where's my candy gone?
The nurse took it.
The girl one? Another boy?
Yeah. You have to get ready for bed soon, anak. Huh? Brush your teeth. So the angel will?
Come.
That's right.
I'm very hungry.
You're very hungry, are you?
Look, my. Look at my tummy is wiggling because I'm hungry.
It's wiggling because you're hungry.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. No, kasi. Happy ka siya. Happy ka siya. Are you happy?
What's that?
It's an eagle.
Is that an eagle?
A baby eagle.
Baby eagle. Oh, that's cute.
Time check, everyone. It's now 11 o'clock at night and we're still awake, as you can see.
What's this, Daddy?
Itong dalawa ay nanonood
fun
ng
animals.
mga animals. Do you like animals, na?
Yeah.
What's your favorite animal?
Over there. Elephant.
Elephant? Why?
Because I'm scared of the shark and alligator.
Are you scared of the shark and the alligator?
What's that?
What's that?
No. It's in the lioness.
It's an African lion.
What's that?
Anyways, guys, we'll end the vlog here now kasi we're going to sleep and we'll just do the shout out natin. Shout out to very hayag ba kay anyway?
What's that?
Shout out to
This is that.
Vicky Inot, Melin Laurente, Sheila Solanoy, Jing De Ases, Letty Marquez, Jocelyn Pason, Gloria Bonga, Grace Mitchener, Teresita Bulanday, G. Alcera, Lynn's Mix Vlogs, Lolita Rivera, Jean Bagsik, Yumi, Lynn Ahmad, Emelita Gonzalez, Helena Putong, Hilas Ka, Belen de Jesus, Elena Risoles, Evelyn Buena, Cherry May Ongayo, Claire Giesicli Kunas, Dyson Yu, and Hannah Sarumines. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, don't forget to be good, and if you can't.